GM. GM. That's the wrong one. Meant to go to Coinalyze. Look at the data. So trade of the day, I'll just check in on the usual update. Overview of data, see what we're seeing. Funding rate, open rate global, funding rate global. Okay. Oh, I waited. Excluding Bitcoin and ETH. Excluding Bitcoin and ETH. There we go. I'll go 15-minute. We'll look at it since the weekend. So there we are. Altcoins open interest has been steadily declining over the weekend. Funding rates still above neutral. So I think people are longing the dip, but they're getting distributed into. That's not bullish. Bitcoin open interest keeps rising, even as price is declining here, and funding seems to be sliding down again. So worth diving into the individual charts there. Like I said on daily levels, I just don't see. Let me do it on Velo's actually easier. All right, so Velo, I have this set up to where it's Binance on the left, Bybit in the middle, and OKX on the right. So where are we looking at it from? I want to look at it from maybe the 10th all the way up. Yeah, that's pretty good. 10th is over here. 10th. All right. So that's Saturday, Sunday, and today. And so the data is all Binance data left. And you see here, Bybit data in the middle. We just set up the same four panels, but put them into deselect and reselect, so it's only one or the other. So as you can see, open interest keeps hitting new highs on all of them. Right, as we're up here, fresh OI highs on Binance and Bybit. OKX slightly down off the highs. Bybit has flipped back to a spot discount, so per premium, so futures leading the market. The actual funding rate itself on all of them is at neutral, 0.01, or slightly below neutral, so that's fine. But it's the change and where we're at with the change happening, right? The entire rally was driven by a spot premium. So I'm not saying that this necessarily is bearish, but the spot premium that was the catalyst for our rally is now gone. And so when we go to the higher time frame, we zoom out, hourly chart, we had really nice spot premiums across Binance and Bybit in particular. And now I just think with how price action's looking, right, it's the first time that it's really starting to slow up here after a nice steady rally up. And you've got open interest hitting new peaks, new highs all the way. And you've got at least some signs, nothing crazy, but some signs that the spot premiums are disappearing and futures are starting to enter again. To me, I think that's most indicative of we are in a healthy market. We are in a bullish market. But that on the low time frame, the longs have gotten a little bit ahead of themselves, which to me means some kind of flush, but a bullish flush, and then away we go. I don't know how deep it goes. I said this on daily levels, but as for trade of the day, right, how can we actionably trade this? I don't think anything's bearish about this. This is really normal. You have a big run up. Some people long the top. Cool, that's fine. That doesn't mean it's going to go to 40K, right? Just because some people long the top doesn't mean it has to go down. Some people long in the top just means, oh, they long the top. They're wrong. Where are they wrong? Probably if there was a fast, deep wick down, right? And then away we go. If I saw something like that, I don't have a price target. There's no point having a price target. Where does price go to? That depends on who's getting liquidated, where buyers step in. The main thing I would want to see is I would want to see a fast move from support, dropping all the way down. What I don't want to see is slow grind, like we're seeing right now, which is this. You don't want to see this slow grind continue. Because the more it goes slow grind, the more it actually becomes bearish itself, right? What you want to see is that price is generally supported in some higher area. Maybe it even takes the highs again. Then boom, down, flush, and all the way back up and goes. That's how you get these nice V reversal type price action, right? Where price just gets bought and bought and bought. Like you've seen the dips getting bought quite a bit. And so for me, that's mostly what I'm looking for. So it's not like if we go to 46K, it doesn't mean I'll automatically buy. Right? How we get there is very important. So I need to see what I want to see. I think probably something like this makes sense to me. Because if it pushed up to the highs again, that would be yet another sweep. That would be taking out any short stops. It would also put in this kind of rounded top. So then whenever if we did sell off, shorts would pile in thinking that that's the top. And then they would get squeezed to give us that run to 50. That'd be my guess. Who knows? We'll see. But yeah, that's the data. So overall, data's pretty neutral. It's not as bullish as it was a few days ago because price has gone up and more people are getting long. But it's not mega bearish either. And I think if there is a little bit of a shakeout, it'll be a good place to buy if we get it. So that's it. GM, 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 GM.